Worte, Cringe mit Worte, Cringe mit Worte, ist lecker nach. Für mich Mode und Leben. Cringe mit Butter, Cringe mit Butter, Cringe mit Butter, it's a tippity for my mama and me. Everywhere I hear the voices start to roam, don't be that way, wrong. Yes, you won't, yes, you won't when you come home. And never forget a family song that's Cringe with Butter, Cringe with Butter, Cringe with Butter, it's a tippity for my mama and me. Yeah. Cleanse that with butter, cleanse that with butter, it's a divot indeed for my mama and me. Exactly, cleanse with butter, cleanse with butter, cleanse with butter, it's a divot indeed for me, motive on me. All the English and Hochdeutsche viewers who ask themselves, what the fuck is Cringe with Butter? This is Cringe with Butter. Boah, geil.